Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we are given that Alex, who has a mass of 100 kg, is skateboarding at 9 meters per second when he smacks into a brick wall and comes to a dead stop in zero point 0.2 seconds. Show that his deceleration is 45 meter per second square and show that the force of impact is 4500 newtons. All right, let's talk about part A. So we are given that the speed is 9 meter per second. Then he hits and he stops in 0.2 second. So if he stops, then definitely the final velocity is zero. So you're going to use the first equation of motion, which is v is equal to v naught plus at. The final speed is zero, the initial is 9, a is something which we have to find, and t is zero point 0.2. So if we rearrange this, then we have 0.2a is equal to minus 9, which means that the acceleration is 9 over zero point 0.2, which is 45 with a minus sign for minus 45 meter per second square. So this means that he's decelerating with 45 meter per second square, which is what we had to prove or justify. Then in part B, we have to find that we have to show that the force of impact is 4,500 newtons. So the force of impact, how can we find that? The force of impact is, can we find it using we can find it using the impulse, because we know that F times dt, F dt is change in the momentum. So final momentum minus initial momentum. The force is something which we have to find. The contact time is 0.2, and in fact there is another shorter way to do it, because we can just write that force is equal to mass times acceleration, and mass is given as 100, the acceleration is already 45, so this is coming as 4500 newtons. We have not taken negative sign because we are merely interested in the magnitude of the force in the direction. So 4500 newton is the force of impact. Thank you.